I teach a class in how to write a brand plan for a pharmaceutical product. Every year when we run the class, we have 2 companies come in. Some of them are pharmaceutical products, some of them are medical devices, some of them are digital health products. We've had all kinds of companies come in and participate. They download on the first day. Students then select which company they want to work on, form teams, and then class by class, step by step, chapter by chapter, we write the brand plan for that company. And then on the last day, the company comes back, and they sit back and they see the show. They'll see 5 or 6 teams, present to them brand strategies. Each of the strategies takes a different approach and a different way to get to their business model and what they want to achieve. And it's very valuable for the companies. It's incredibly valuable for the students because they have actually written a brand plan and developed it, wrote it, and then presented it to executives and answered all the questions about it. And you can pretty much bet once you start in the pharmaceutical industry, one of your first assignments will be to write a brand plan. And then probably if you stay in marketing, you're going to do that every year for the rest of your career.